Guys, today I'm going to show you how to hide WhatsApp content on your lock screen on any Android. It's not that difficult. Let's go to it. So first thing you got to do is open your settings. After that, click on notifications. And from notifications, you can see there's app notifications here. So you can choose more if it's not showing here, or maybe you can just click on it if it's here. And then you scroll down to notification categories. And from here, you can switch on to message notifications. You can even choose to actually to mute all the notifications, but you just choose message notifications. And you scroll down. And then there's this option, lock screen, show content. You click that one and then you choose hide content. That's how you hide content on your lock screen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more